and this is the look that you shouldn't recreate. Welcome off to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. I think you can guess. We're experimenting with 80s, and this is the look that you shouldn't recreate. Honestly, this is something that I wouldn't give you an option to recreate, but it's something that I wanted to give a try. Okay, let's get started. In today's video, we're doing 80s makeup look. I recreated 60s and 70s makeup looks. Today, I'm going to be focusing on 80s, which is probably not my favorite makeup era because the makeup was crazy. It was bold, it was bright, but crazy. I saw a lot of Madonna's makeup looks. Let's get started. I'm going to be using my Art Visage. This is Eclipse Sculptor. It's really hard to tell what did they use, a bronzer or a contour, but I think with a photo, they do actually have nose contour, which is interesting because I thought nose contour wasn't a thing back in the day, but it actually was. So when I saw a lot of different videos with Madonna, she wore crazy makeup. It was orange, green, purple, red, and they loved bright eye makeup looks with bright lipsticks, lip glosses, and especially a lot of blush. And sometimes it was a crazy amount of blush. That is the main reason why I don't like the 80s makeup. Okay, now we're gonna be doing my blush. And I think she has the same blush over forehead because it's a little bit pinky. And let's do it with the brightest color from my BH eyeshadow palette. I have an angle brush. Let's pick this on. And I'm not gonna do any bronzer or contour. It feels like they're just using blush and that's it. The blush is concentrated pretty low, and that is the main reason why I think it might be a little bit crazy. With any leftovers, I'm gonna place this blush on top of the forehead. Okay, we're gonna be doing finally my eye makeup look. Let's start with primer. This is my eye primer, my favorite eye primer. The prime color of the lid is gonna be purple. At this point, we're going to my Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. We're gonna mix today this color, maybe a little bit of that, and add in 11-4 lavender. Honestly, I don't know, we'll see which one is gonna be the best option, but I guess let's go with 11-4 lavender. If I need a little bit more, we're just gonna build this up later. We're starting with the softest shade. Of course, I need some protection because these colors are super pigmented and they're gonna give a lot of fallouts. I know it for sure. I'm gonna place the purple color on top of the lid, and primarily it's gonna take the whole lid. I think it's pretty accurate. Now let's do this up to the brow. And what I see, they're using this shade on top of the brow. I feel like in the inner corner, she has maybe super dark green shade or simple brown. I think we're going with the simple brown, but I'm not gonna be shocked if they used some dark green shade on top. Let's tap it off and roughly add this brown in the inner corner. Just tap in, and they've never heard of blending. I think like it's a huge spot that is not blended, but let's do a little bit of blending, just a tiny bit. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. We're still keeping the aesthetics of 80s makeup look. And I need a flat brush, I think. Thin and flat brush. And I'm gonna grab the color Labyrinth. Tap it off. I want to do this color in the waterline. It's basically keeping this really close to the lower lash line, but nothing crazy and dramatic. Let's connect both of these lids. And it feels like the color, green color, goes up to my brow. Like that. I feel like her green is a little bit different. Her green is more like warm tone. Mine is cool tone. Let's pat with my own finger. And I guess with a little bit more of shimmers, this one is Custard Cream. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of black pencil over on top of the lash line. Black. Black eyeshadows are perfect to set black pencil. I want to set my face first. Let's set with Essence Keep It Perfect Fix and Spray my face. real quick, work with the beauty blender. Now we're gonna do mascara. Essence, I love crazy about the mascara. I'm gonna add a little bit of lip balm on top of my lips, and this is color, I don't even know, it's like purple or maybe wine shade, and I want to outline lips first. By the way, in 80s, they were not overlining lips. They were just following the guideline of a natural lip. That is the main reason why I'm just following my natural shape. You can blend out with a lip brush or leave it like this. Let's add a little bit of color on the side. This is Revlon lip gloss. I mean, if it doesn't scream 80s, what does it scream? Honestly, it is so crazy because I feel extremely old with that much color everywhere. It feels like it's getting more age to it. And I feel a little bit uncomfortable wearing this bright makeup look. Let me take off any powders underneath my eyes. Okay, guys, and this is the final result. Okay, how do I really feel about this makeup look and this transformation? I feel pretty old, and I feel like I have no taste. I'm a little bit slutty, and I feel like I don't really like it. I don't feel pretty, and I don't really feel beautiful. So if you ask me, like, which is your least favorite makeup era, it's definitely gonna be 80s. I mean, for 60s, I'm gonna post to you and tell you guys that it was pretty cool. I mean, like, actually 60s was really nice, and it was dramatic, it was crazy, but it was interesting. It was like, sometimes I guess we can even bring this back. We're talking about 70s, it was like weird, more hippie style, but I'm like, okay, but like if we're talking about 80s, just like slut mode for sure. Super uncomfortable, super crazy, too much colorful eyeshadows, too much colorful lipsticks, and the hairstyle with this weird look. I mean, I don't know, but what do you think, guys? Would you like to bring back 80s? For me, that is a definite no. Maybe some of you guys would really give it a try. This is probably the best eye makeup look that I picked from their options, because there were way worse options. And specifically, I watched Madonna. Yeah, that was quite a look. I'm gonna see you in the next video. That was a fun tutorial to work with, and I'll see you next one.